Hi everyone, I am Miss Abraham and I teach ELL here at Rainier Middle School. This is our open house and this acts as my open house video tonight. This is my third year teaching at Rainier and I teach 6th, 7th, and 8th grade ELL students. I have students who are new to the United States and some who have been here for a few months or a few years as well. I also coach dance and I like traveling a lot. My students and your students, our students, are from all around the world. And so a quote in my classroom is common space, common language, and try your best. So even though we all may not speak the same language, we're still trying our best to understand each other in the classroom. Your student needs to come to school with a mask every day, their Chromebook charged, a pencil, their red planner, and a notebook to keep in my classroom. Also, they need to have a good attitude because we are a positive community in my classroom. Please make sure that your student is on time to school and they're getting enough sleep. We have breakfast offered in the cafeteria, so they're able to eat at school before their class starts as well. In our classroom, we learn to read, write, listen, and speak, and use our language to help us learn. I have high expectations for my students, and we are able to earn awesome prizes and learn really great things while making new friends in middle school. If you want to learn more information about me or how the classroom works, I have a website that I made for families. The link will be below this video. And I also have it on Google Classroom. And then I also have a YouTube channel that I created last year while we were learning online. And I have had other students around the world watch the videos so they can learn English as well. I am so happy that your student is in my classroom this semester or this year, and I'm very excited we are learning back in person together. Please remind your student to wear their mask over their nose and mouth, and they need to stay away from their friends. So maintain 3 feet apart because we don't want them breathing on each other, and we want you and your families to stay safe all year round. Thank you so much, and I will share my contact information as well with you.